Changes made would be I have finally decided to. Where is it? I don't. Okay, here it is. Current integrals, they don't look, what's the right word? Half-assed anymore. Starting off with what it looks like for a line integral to happen. Random. It's literally just a bunch of dots I put in there. That's funny. Anyway, the Riemann sum version, which gives you another first order error estimate because finite difference is the way to go in real life. Even though it's first order, which means no one will use it. Usually second order, but it gives me an excuse to never show off first order when I go to finite difference, and probably part two of my book, because I realized that it went over 600, which is why I took some of the bottom parts off, which 30B, 30A, and 30B into book two. I'm just gonna stuff it there, probably not touch it until I'm done with this part. I'll be honest, MAE8, MAE21, MAE11 might all be placed into my second book because I have a very big feeling that the this section, the multivariable calculus, will make it at least a few more 100 pages. Not like few, no, 100, 30 pages, few more pages, I think. Which means there would there's only 20 pages here before 600, so I'm going to take it out over there and put it there. And then because we also have the differential calculus and then the linear algebra, it's going to be a little bit tight. So I'm thinking of taking all of these out and put in the, except for MAE2. That's all I'm keeping here. Which I'm going to delete MAE2 later on and put it into a flight later, because we're deleting stuff that we're deleting names as soon as I'm done with them. If I'm not done with them, they have their names there because I haven't made a question on them yet. And the intro to airplanes, or what intro to flight, is gonna be a lot of airplanes, like searching up aircrafts and putting their names on there. What I'm going to do is make questions on these topics relating to a real life airplane, probably. And that's the idea of that one. So that's probably the plan I have for that. So it's going to be really fun. I mean, it's going to be funner than most other sections, because the math section, I love it, but there's times where I feel like this pointless thing I haven't used since I was in the math department. Um, and some parts here I didn't learn here. I learned in the engineering department and never learned in the math department. It's kind of like, what the hell, man? I'm supposed to learn this. Why haven't I learned it? You know, kind of pisses me off sometimes. Um, yeah. What else did I change here? Did I change much? Anything else? No, no. I was procrastinating too much. Looks like. Uh, yeah.